Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Electro Schematics. Today we are going to talk about the buck converter. In our last class we were talking about the boost converter, and in this class I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the buck converter and why it is different from the boost converter. A buck converter is a type of DC to DC converter that can be used to step down the voltage of a power supply. It is a type of a switch mode power supply that uses a switching element such as our normal switching. This is transistor, the MOSFET or the IGBT MOSFET. This is to rapidly switch the input voltage on and off. This creates a pulsating voltage that is then filtered and smoothed by an output capacitor, that is a capacitor. An inductor is there to create a steady output voltage to lower at a lower voltage than the input voltage. Now this circuit has a basic elements for a simple buck converter circuit. We need a capacitor, a switching element, that's a transistor. We have an inductor, a capacitor, that is the output capacitor. The switching element is usually a transistor, as I have already said. MOSFET, it can be controlled by PWM, that is pulse width modulation signal. The signal controls the duty cycle of this switching element, in turn control the average output voltage. When the switching element is turned on, the input voltage is applied to the inductor, which creates a magnetic field, as we already have known. When the switching element is turned off, the magnetic field collapses, causing a current to flow through the inductor output capacitor. This current flows is what produces the output voltage. Now, the output voltage of a buck converter can be adjusted by changing the duty cycle of a PWM signal. The higher the duty cycle results, the higher the output voltage, while the lower the duty cycle will result in a lower output voltage. The output voltage can also be adjusted by changing the value of the output capacitor or inductor. And in this video, I'll tell you the advantages of the buck converter, which is the efficiency and low power consumption of the buck converter. Now, the difference between the boost and the buck converter is that the boost converter increases the output voltage while stepping down the current, and the buck converter reduces the output voltage and increases the current. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We look forward to see you in the next videos. Bye bye.